What's going on, guys? This is Fabian here with yet another tutorial out of FB Studios in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we are going to blow your mind with some photography tips. So if you're ready to have your mind blown, stay tuned to after this brief video. And we're back. I hope you enjoyed that little shoot with Ashley. That video brings us right into our subject matter for today, and it is to consider using steady or consistent light versus strobe photography. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm a strobe photography shooter. The vast majority of my work is done with strobes. But every now and then I like to spice it up. I like to do something different. I was at that point where some of my work was starting to look similar, and I just wanted to add something different. And steady, consistent light added that to my portfolio. Yes, there are pros and cons to using constant light. One of the biggest pros is the fact that you can see exactly what you're getting, especially in the area of specular highlights. And you say, Fabian, what are specular highlights? It's the highlights typically on the bridge of the nose, the cheekbones, the forehead, the chin, places like this. And these lights and mastery manipulation of this lighting is what adds depth and richness to the photo, and is most commonly the difference between an amateur photographer and a pro photographer. So, another pro, you can use both effortlessly for photography and videography. Take the setup that we're shooting on now. This would be a prime example of a setup that I could shoot with photography or videography, or like the video that you saw earlier. Every ounce of that video was shot, believe it or not, with steady, consistent lighting. Yes, it was. The pictures and the video. So it made for an effortless transition from doing the video piece and from doing the still photography. And I promise you, you can use this in every facet of portrait photographer. We're talking fashion, we're talking editorial, we're talking glamour, and we're talking beauty too. You can do it. And one of the products that we utilized on that shoot is this bad boy right here. This is the Nanlite FN209, and it is a Fresnel head. Now, these have been around for quite some time, actually since the 18th century. They used to be utilized on lighthouses and different things of that nature. Then Hollywood adopted it, and now they're used in video and also still photography. They give that sharp, crisp highlighting in your hair, your clothing, your jewelry, but yet it has a subtle effect on the skin as well. So it's like getting the best of both worlds from hard light photography. Nonetheless, you can diffuse it, you can modify it to where you can get the right look for yourself. Well, I hope this video helped. I know it was short, and I know you want more, and we have some custom classes coming, trust me. But until then, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a follow. And if you're in the Atlanta area and you're looking for a studio home to shoot at, hit us up. You can find us on Instagram at FB Studios. You can find us on the web at rentfbstudios.net. Well, until next time, guys, stay tuned and God bless.